Alright, so we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to connect all the different pieces and parts of a diffuser, and how to hook up the air line and attach a metering line to that. So first, what you're going to want to do is fill up your base with any kind of rock or sand material, just to help that sink down to the bottom. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is open up this package here. This part is only to extend the diffuser up if need be. Usually we do not connect this piece. It is just a optional part. This is your hose barb, and you're going to want your grease here. Open that up, put a little bit all the way around on the threads. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. And you're going to put that guy in here. That grease just helps seal it and make it easier to screw in. Now this part you don't want to get too crazy with. You just want to tighten it just past hand tighten. Otherwise you risk breaking this piece right here. So I just did about a half a turn, and that's perfect like that. Same thing with the diffuser head too. You're going to want to take this blue part off. Same thing, just add a little bit of grease. So like that. And that just threads right on there. Same thing. There's this check valve right here. I usually tighten this guy and give this a turn until I can turn it with my hand at the same time. So that's about good right there. And then in your kit here, you're going to be given a hose barb. Same thing. I mean, you don't have to get crazy when you're connecting the airline, just enough to create that airtight seal. This is your 5/8 self-sinking you will install with the system. Get your hose clamp on there. Get that up there. Tighten this guy. So then it'll go back to your cabinet. And then what you're going to want to do is, this is your 1/4 inch metering line. There are holes back here. You're going to want to slide that up through till it's about like so. You just want it so that product gets right above the diffuser head. And then going to want to bring this all the way back to this line here. And what we're going to do now is, you have 3 zip ties. Put one real nice and close here, then one a little bit farther back. This just helps when you pick up the whole diffuser itself for cleaning, and it all comes in one. It doesn't put too much stress on this plastic piece here. Then to attach this line to the diffuser head, you're going to want to get a 7/32 bit. And you want to do this once you have the head on, because you never know where it's going to end up sitting. So your holes are right where you need them to be. You don't want to go too high up on the diffuser, because then you risk puncturing, this membrane, or the gap underneath it. So you want to go about halfway up. Nothing crazy. One on each side. Well, your zip tie here. You can slide through this way, through the back here. That way that stays secure and right where you need it to be. So yeah, and there you go. That is the basic assembly of a 12-inch diffuser.